videotaping right now. So we're gonna go through. Oh, here you go. There's Mike right now, getting ready. We are gonna go through, and we are going to, what's this called?
Open a beehive.
Open a beehive. All right, check it out. Novice opening a beehive. A little cool smoke there. Nicole, I have nothing on. No, what's that called?
Bee gear.
No
No
gear.
protective suits. No veil.
There are no cameras, no trick, nothing up my sleeve here.
We have one camera.
Oh. No fake cameras. Look at all that. Here's my slick handle been doing this. All right.
Look at all those bees.
Now, Mike told me to do one quick hit. 1, 2, 3.
You're a maniac.
There we go.
I love it.
Alrighty. That's it. Checking on a beehive. And you go to that, press that off.